In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a website as a favorite on Microsoft Edge. This is a great way to keep track of the websites you visit most frequently. The process is really straightforward, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon, which you can usually find located on your taskbar or desktop. If you don't see it there, try searching for Microsoft Edge in your computer's Start menu. Once you're in, the browser will open up, ready for your next move. The next step is to access the website you want to save as a favorite. Just type the web address into the search bar at the very top of your screen and hit enter. Alternatively, if you have a favorite search engine like Bing or Google, you can use that to find the page you're looking for and click on the appropriate link to open it up. Once your chosen website is fully loaded and active in the browser, turn your attention to the top right corner of the Edge window. You'll notice a small star icon located right inside the address bar. This star represents the tool you'll use to save a website as a favorite. Click on the star icon. A small pop-up will appear, offering you a chance to edit the name of the page. This is particularly helpful if the website's default name is too long or doesn't accurately describe what the page is about. Feel free to enter a new name that makes sense to you and will help you find the page easily in the future. After you've renamed your page to your satisfaction, take a moment to look for a button labeled Done. Clicking this button will finalize the process. The website is now saved as a favorite. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a website as a favorite right in Microsoft Edge. The next time you want to visit this page, just head over to your favorites list. You can find this by clicking the three dots menu in the top right corner of your browser and selecting Favorites. From there, you'll be able to easily navigate back to the pages you've saved without having to remember the web addresses or search for them online. This simple action can save you lots of time and hassle, especially if you have several sites you visit regularly. Whether it's for work, study, or entertainment, having your favorites neatly organized and a click away can enhance your browsing experience. I hope this guide was helpful and that you found a quick and easy way to organize your online activities more efficiently. If you enjoyed it, stay tuned for more tips and tricks to improve your digital life.